vibing December like December Lane. Okay, that's my sister. Me and my sisters. We had to attend India Party Sidiko. India Party Sidiko. Hey, there you go. There you go. There you go. With my friends from Sidiko. Sidiko. Yeah. Right. Oh God. We had a great time. We had a great time. And then boom. See that? Wow. Nyamara na hii. Yeah. Africans have the same thing. Nigeria mama tu. Yeah, we have to do a little dance with my sister. Yes. And the camera was like, what's happening? Hey, I forgot. There goes my mom receiving a 15-year saving with Sidiko. Working with Sidiko. Award. Yeah. And then boom, Magesa Natima. But sent Sana Terevompo. We continued. It was like, light on your phones, light on. Wow. That's how we ended the party.